Here are 5 quick tips to making your first $10,000 by Valentine's Day this year. Now, you're going to want to stick around to the end because the 5th tip that I share with you is by far and away the most important element that you can add to your print-on-demand business. It'll allow you to shortcut the time to your $10,000 profit. These tips are exactly what I teach you inside the Products Accelerator, which is my coaching program for print-on-demand. If you want to check that out, make sure you click the first link in the description below and become part of the dozens of students that come in there and be able to achieve the goals that they set out to achieve. Let's go. First up, what you're going to need to do is test a lot of different designs. Now, focus on a specific product is going to help you to stay focused. But what you need to do is learn about the niches, learn about the actual product that you're designing for, and then seeing what the actual market wants when you are listing or promoting your products. It's from that information that you're getting from your people, the people that you're marketing to, that helps you to find those winners far faster. And oftentimes, the first keyword or the first thing that you focus on is not that winner. What happens is as you start doing more and more research, you will identify different keywords that start to pop out and ultimately be the ones that allow you to make thousands of dollars. Next up, you want to niche down for your success. Most of my success over the past 10 years in print on demand and selling close to 8 figures of print on demand products online has come from being able to niche down. Most people, when they are getting started, they go super broad, which means in most cases they're appealing to no one. But when you niche down just a bit into those big broad niches that you see in the States, say firefighters or the first responders, truckers or bikers or even hunters, these niches are huge. And when you take winning products from those big broad categories where other people have had success and you niche it down into those specific hobbies or interests, that's where you find a lot of success far sooner. You know exactly who you're targeting. You know how to speak to them, the colors, fonts, and images that they resonate with. When you bring those elements into your designs, you can speak to them in a completely different way. That helps them stop on your product, take notice, and ultimately buy it. The next thing you want to do is keep it stupid simple. Designs or phrases, when you're creating your print-on-demand products, what you want people to do is actually focus on what makes you the money. With jewelry or products that are phrase-based, you want them to read and understand exactly what that message is straight away, because when they can understand that message, they start visualizing that product in their hands, giving it to their significant others. That means they're through the checkout faster and there's money in your account much quicker. By keeping it simple and removing all the clutter, the design elements, it allows you to really simplify your workload. You don't overthink all your different products. The biggest tip I can give you here is to, instead of putting all those design embellishments on every new design that you do, have a template. For instance, if you've got jewelry, having a template with the font pairings already on there, the colors that you're using, and then switching out those phrases, you can bust out a lot of different designs very, very quickly, which means you're going to find your success far sooner. Now, obviously with Valentine's Day, you want to focus on couples, whether they're married, in a relationship, or engaged. You could go into the pet space as well, but it's getting a bit weird there. But if you're niching down from those couples, that's where you're going to find a lot of success. And the biggest tip I can give you here is when you're creating these products for Valentine's Day, do not mention Valentine's Day or Be My Valentine in the actual product itself. Yes, you can do a handful that do pull on that holiday, but mostly what you want to happen is once you find that winner through Valentine's Day, you want to go on and sell through birthdays, anniversaries, weddings. You really want to build out an evergreen product that has the potential to make sales all year long. So by staying away from that holiday, that's what you allow yourself to do. Now, the next thing is by far and away the most important thing when it comes to success with print on demand: focus. Whether it's product focus or niche focus, make sure you're giving yourself enough opportunity to identify your winning products, because when you do that, your workload is so much more simplified. You're not giving yourself the brain damage of switching from doing a phrase-based design like jewelry into a design-based product like metal art. You stay in your lane, you stay in your niche, you stay in your keywords, and by doing that, you get a lot more done in a lot less time, allowing you to stop spinning your wheels, making no sales, and find those winning products or the $10,000 profit by Valentine's Day by simply focusing. Make your life easy. Stop overcomplicating things. When people are first getting started with print on demand, that's what they typically do. When you can start removing this extra busyness from your life, you will see results. It's just a matter of time. And once you bring all those tips together, what you want to do is execute. You have to make sure that every design that you're researching, that you're getting inspiration for, you're getting up, you're getting listed or promoted on Facebook and Instagram or TikTok ads. These things must be promoted. They must be in a space where someone can buy them. It's not good enough just to stock your shelves and have a bunch of designs that nobody ever sees. The only way for you to make money with print on demand is make sure you're getting it in front of the people that are going to buy them. And this is exactly the stuff that I teach people inside PodHacks, my coaching program for print on demand. Inside, I'm giving you the step-by-step roadmap to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print on demand business so you can have that side income or giving you that exit strategy from your 9 to 5. If you'd love to check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description below, watch the quick video, and if you love the sound of it, book a call with my team and I, because I'd love to talk to you over there. I'd love to see you in the program. But if you'd love to know how to sell the best product ever for print on demand through Valentine's Day, you got to watch this video next. Good on ya.